Hello everyone, I am Anuj Nakade and welcome to LiveLaw. There are new developments in the Calcutta High Court regarding the West Bengal Panchayat elections, which are to be held on the 8th of July. Our regular audience might know that previously we reported on a petition filed by Suvendu Adhikari of the BJP in the Calcutta High Court. As a result of the petition, the Calcutta High Court issued directions to the West Bengal State Election Commission to requisition and deploy central paramilitary forces to keep the peace and ensure free and fair elections in the state. There was another contempt petition for contempt of this order where further instructions were given to the SEC. We covered this development in a video previously and you can watch that video through a link in the description below. Now, a public interest litigation has been filed in the High Court by a person claiming to be an independent voter. The allegations are that the unopposed elections of the ruling party candidates from the voters' bloc and stopping of the nomination of the rival prospective candidates take away their right to choose. A similar petition filed by the aforesaid prospective candidates complaining of being stopped from filing nominations from Caning 1 bloc is pending before the single judge bench of Justice Amrita Sinha in the Calcutta High Court. This petition was being heard by a two-judge bench of Chief Justice T.S. Shivagnanam and Justice Ajay Kumar Gupta. The bench took exception to the fact that this public interest litigation may be politically motivated. The bench noted that strong similarities between the recitals and prayers of both petitions by two different private parties, that is the petition by the independent voter and the petition by the prospective candidates. Justice T.S. Shivagnanam orally remarked, and I quote, "We find the averments in both the petitions to be identical. At least 7 to 9 paragraphs and 8 grounds are similar. Identical pleadings, the font is also identical. You please come forward because there is a serious allegation made that the petitioner has been set up by one candidate who is already before the single bench. I may dictate a judgment, language may be different. Justice Gupta may dictate a judgment, his language will be different. Even you and your junior will use different types of expressions when dictating. Let us admit, don't run away from the problem or we will summon the petitioner. It is cut-paste. Can we not draw an inference saying that somebody has set up this petitioner or he is mouthpiece of somebody? When projected as public interest litigant, are we not justified in saying that on this ground the petition needs to be rejected? It was argued by the counsel for the candidates that they had not been made a party to the said writ petition and hence their rights could not be prejudiced till they were given a chance to be heard in the matter after being made parties to it. On the other hand, it was argued by the counsel for the State Election Commission as well as the counsel for the state that the petition in its present format was not maintainable and even so, the grounds laid out in both petitions were identical, giving rise to a suspicion of petitions being filed malified or bad faith and proving that the petition was not public-spirited but in fact politically motivated. This matter will be taken up by the Calcutta High Court on Monday, the 3rd of July. This, however, was not the only development in litigation regarding the Panchayat elections in the Calcutta High Court today. Another plea was also mentioned before the same two-judge bench. This petition seeks declaration of state emergency and stoppage of elections. The plea says, and I quote, "The election process should be stopped and directions should be issued on the central government, Home Ministry, to declare emergency after getting a report from the governor. If they find it fit that the emergency should be declared in these cases, then the postponement of Panchayat election is required." Another PIL challenging the appointment of the State Election Commissioner was also mentioned before the bench today. The petition says that the appointment of the Commissioner of the State Election Commission has legislative backing since the notification concerning the State Amendment Act that appointed the State Election Commission was not published in the official gazette. So, the petition seeks a declaration that all actions taken by the Commissioner during this tenure are void from the beginning. Another PIL in the High Court alleges that health insurance schemes are being misemployed to scam the voters. Our team is dedicated to bringing you more such updates from courts all across the country. To know more, please visit our website at www.livelaw.in. A link to the full report is in the description below. If you found our content informative, please leave a like and tell us in the comments how we can shape our content to bring you your legal news in more engaging ways. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.